Have you ever wanted to capture stunning aerial footage like the pros but thought drones were too complicated or expensive? Well, hold on to your hat, because this HD foldable drone is about to blow your mind with what it can do at this incredible price point. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking for a fun gadget, this drone makes flying feel like second nature. So what's the big deal? This drone comes with dual HD cameras that capture crystal clear video and photos from angles you've never experienced before. The foldable design means it's compact enough to throw in your backpack for travel, camping, or outdoor adventures without taking up tons of space. You can choose between models with 1, 2, or even 3 batteries, so you're not limited to just a few minutes of flight time. The app control feature is incredibly intuitive. You can pilot the drone right from your smartphone with real-time video feedback, making it super easy to frame the perfect shot. Plus, the remote control gives you precise handling for those more complex maneuvers. It's perfect as a birthday gift, for indoor flying when the weather's bad, or taking it outdoors for breathtaking landscape shots. If you've been wanting to explore drone photography and videography without the intimidating learning curve, this is your chance. The link to get your very own HD foldable drone is in the description and comments below. Time to see the world from a whole new perspective.